मैं हूं आशीष एक नया वीडियो के साथ। कैसे हैं आप लोग? Indian share decline ahead of the inflation data, IT earnings, and that Nifty closes almost marks in rate. It was closes on the 0.28% lower, and the Sensex was down by the 0.34%. Whereas the CNX PSU Bank was up by the 0.83%, and IT CNX IT was up by the 0.71%. Indian shares shrugged between that gains and losses before the setting lower on the Wednesday as the cautions prevailed ahead of the key corporate earning as well as the domestic and US inflation data due later in the day. Nifty 50 index closed 0.28% lower at the 19,384, while that S&P BSE Sensex fall 0.34% and closes with the 65,393. 6 of the 13 major sectorial index lodged gain, with the public sector bank CNX PSU Bank rising over the 0.83%. The high weight IT CNX IT fall 0.71% and was the top sectorial loser ahead of the first quarter result from the Tata Consultancy Services. And there is a due end of the day there was one more result expected from the TCL HCL Tech as well. Several brokerage have the warned of the muted quarter for the IT sector as the client in the United States and Europe, two of the sector's largest market, cut spending. From here, any runaway rally is unlikely, and especially with the rising concern over the food inflations due to that uneven monsoon shared by the Samrat Dasgupta. Advisor advised the investor to caution and utilize a buy on dip approach. The Nifty 50 has a strong support near the 18,900 to 19,100 level, but the gain could be capped due to the elevated valuations. The Nifty 50 and the Sensex have the both risen over the 11% so far the fiscal of the 2024. India retail inflation likely to be snapped for the 4-month declines in the June due to the rising food prices, a Reuters polls economic shadow. The state-owned lenders, Indian Bank and Union Bank, rose more than the 4% and the 1% respectively after the global brokerage Investec that initiate coverage with the buy and the critics valuation confront the tier 2 public sector lender. Online gaming from the Delta crop tumbled over the 23%, while the Najara Technology and OnMobile Global lost between the 1% and the 3.5% over the government imposed a 28% tax over the turnover of online gaming companies. Asian and European equities rose over 0.7% ahead of the US inflation data. With this, we are ending up this session, and more such video, please do follow us and subscribe us, and please do suggest where we can improve further. This video is purely made for the educational purpose, and please discuss with your advisor, and then you should invest in the stock market. Thank you very much.